Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope so you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you how to fix your system high CPU usage due to Windows Defender anti-malware executable process. Okay, for this purpose you have to open Windows Defender, click on virus and threat protection, scroll down and click on manage setting, scroll down and click on add or remove exclusions. Click on add an exclusion, click on folder. Here you can select folders of Windows Defender, both in 32-bit version and 64-bit. So first I will select in 32-bit versions. Click on program files. On the right side you can select the Windows Defender folder, select, then again you can exclude program files, and 64-bit version. Here you can look at Windows Defender folder, select folder, this is done, close now. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and I will waiting for your comments. Thank you.